Papa Smurfs, I, Brainy Smurf, will follow Papa Smurf's map from memory. First, we go 3 steps forward, then 2 steps to the left, and then down! Brainy!
Hang on, Jack!
Hi, Brady. You lost your map.
It's so dark in here, I can barely see myself.
Anything? You should be worrying about Baby and not how you look. There can't be much farther. There can be Gora. There it is.
Ugh, it looks disgusting.
Papa Smurf said this mold can be used to cure just about everything.